Hello guys, how are you? I am Suneet from IT Mistake. At IT Mistake, we teach Excel, Word, and PowerPoint through interactive online classes. If you are interested in learning from the comfort of your home or office, please drop a mail at theitmistake@gmail.com. Today we will talk about formatting multiple cells. There are various ways in which we can format multiple cells. Have a look at the Home tab. There are options like Format Painter, Font Group, Alignment Group, Number and Styles Group as well to format cells. Apart from this, we can also use Find and Replace. Yes, we can use Find and Replace to replace formats apart from text. We'll see how to do that. First, let us apply some format to the headers. Let us make it green foreground and light green background, and make it bold as well. Now I want to replace the format of these headers. I'll press Ctrl H to show the replace dialog box. Here, instead of typing the text, I will select the format. These buttons will be visible only if we click on the options button. Here we can specify the here we can specify the format that we want to replace. So we have two options. First, we can specify the format using the Find Format dialog box. We will not use it. We will use the second option, that is choose format from cell, because it is more convenient. So here you can see we have a dropper with the mouse pointer. We will select the cell having the format that we want to replace. We can click on any cell. It has detected the format of the cell that has been selected. Now I have to replace it with the new format. In front of the replace with label, we have this another format button. We will use it to specify the new format. Now we can use the format dialog box. Here we will specify the font color. So let it be blue, and the fill color, let us make it light blue. It is bold already. Yeah. Now we can click on the replace all button. All done. We made 6 replacement. As you can see the new format here. So only the format has been replaced. We have not replaced any text using find and replace. So we have some more options offering more flexibility in replacing the format. For example, we can replace format in the whole workbook using this option. But for that we need to apply format on another sheet as well. Let us go to another sheet, that is sheet 2, and select its header and apply the same format. I'll use Format Painter. Okay, now we have the same format in 2 sheets. Let us again press Ctrl H and select the format that is to be replaced and specify the new format. Okay, let us specify the fill color to be purple and font color be white. Yeah. Click OK. So this is the old format, this is the new format, and we have to select the workbook instead of sheet so that it is replaced throughout the workbook in all the sheets. Let us click on the replace all and see. All done. We have made 14 replacements this time. Okay, let us check. Okay, this is sheet 2. Similarly, we have some more options. For example, match case. For match case to be effective, we have to type some text. For example, let me change it. Okay, so now we can use the match case option. Let us find and replace seating. Seating. Again, we have to select the format that is to be replaced. We can click on any cell because these cells have the same format. So, and also specify the new format. We can remove all the formatting using clear replace format. So no format set. Now we should specify the format to be applied. Make it italic. So what would happen? It will find the word seating with match case option selected. What does it mean? That it will replace only these words or cells having seating matching this case. It will not replace these two cells because it has seating written in all uppercase. So let us try it. Let us try it in the current sheet. There you go. We made for 28 replacements. So as you can see, these two cells have not been replaced with the new format. So this is how find and replace offers more flexibility in replacing the format as well. Similarly, we can change the format of the selected cells as well using find and replace. Excuse me. Let us select the format to be replaced and let us clear the new format and then select the new format. Let us fill it with very light color and let us remove this. And let us select the cells. Let us try to replace all. Okay, we made 5 replacements. So it has replaced the text that was written in italics. So see the flexibility it offers. This is how we can use find and replace to change the format of cells. I hope you like this video. If yes, please let us know in comments. It encourages us to keep us going. And if you want to know anything else in Excel, again, please let us know in comments. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.